This is MP Teaching John. We are going to discuss the exercise of chapter 3 algorithm and flowchart of the book Log on to computer of class 8. So let us move towards the exercises. Practice time. Number A is pick the correct option given below. So number 1 is how many flow lines can enter into the decision box. Only one line can enter into the decision box, so the correct option is A, 1. Number 2, which of these programming construct make us a loop? The answer is number C, repetition construct. Number 3, which of the following is a graphical representation of steps required to solve a problem? So number C is the correct flowchart. Number 4, which symbol is used when comparison has to be made and further action depends upon the result of it? So number B is decision. Number 5, which keyword is used to begin and end an algorithm? So correct option is C, start and stop. Number B, fill in the blanks with the suitable words. So number 1 is an algorithm is a sequence of logical instructions that produce output based on the given input. Number 2 is a loop is used to repeat a set of statements again and again till the specified condition is met. Number 3, an oval is used at the beginning and end of the flowchart. The oval is like this, and here we'll write start, and in the ending of the flowchart we write stop. Okay. Number 4, the various programming constructs are sequence, repetition, and decision construct. Number 5, flow lines used to represent the flow of control in the process. Number C is write true for T and F for false statements. An algorithm is difficult to understand. It is a stepwise representation of a solution to a given problem. This is false. Number 2, a flowchart is a graphical representation of sequence of steps required to solve a particular program. This is true. A sequence construct tells the processor which statement has to be executed next. This is also true. Number 4, a counter keyword is used to keep track of loops. This is also true. Number 5, in the decision box multiple flow lines can enter. This is false because in decision box multiple flow lines cannot enter, only one line can enter. So number D is match the columns. Number 1 is oval shape which denotes the start and end. Number 2 is parallelogram which denotes input and output. Number 3 is rectangle which denotes process. Number 4 is rhombus which denotes decision. Number 5 is a arrow which denotes the flow line. So number 1 with C, number 2 with D, number 3 with E, number 4 with B, number 5 with A. So let us move towards the number E. Answer the following questions. Here the question answers are which is the answer the following. Number 1 is define the term algorithm. Write its two advantages and disadvantages. The answer is an algorithm is a step-by-step sequence of logical instructions that produce output on the given input. An algorithm is formulated before writing an actual program. The third point is algorithm can perform calculation, data processing, and automated reasoning tasks. The advantages of algorithm are it is easy to understand. It is a stepwise representation of a solution to the given problem. And number 2 is it is easy to modify as every step in an algorithm has its own logical sequence. The disadvantages of algorithm are writing an algorithm is a time consuming process. Number 2, an algorithm is not a computer program, it is rather a concept of how programs should be solved. Number 2 is what are the basic rules for writing a flowchart? So the answer is the basic rules for writing a flowchart is use appropriate symbols for different statement. Each symbol should be connected through flow lines. Check the sequence of statement. Do a proper start and stop. So number 3 is define the term flowchart. Write its two advantages and disadvantages. So the answer is a flowchart is a graphical representation of sequence of steps required to solve a particular problem. Advantages of flowchart: number one, a flowchart is easy and effective way to analyze a problem. Number two is it helps the programmer to write the actual program control easily. Disadvantages of flowchart: so number one is drawing flowchart is a time consuming process. Number three is difficult to understand the logic and process of complex flowcharts. So the number four is briefly state the purpose of each symbol used while constructing a flowchart. Here the name is given, symbol and purpose. You can write it from there. First is start and stop. Its purpose is it is used to at beginning and end of an flowchart. Second is input and output. It is used to represent the input of data and the output of the information. Number third is process. It holds the instruction required for the processing of input and get the desired output. For example, he instructs some a plus b will be entered in the process box. Decision. It is used when comparison has to be made and further action depends upon the result of it. For example, statement like sum less than 50 will be written in the decision box. Flow lines. It is used to represent the flow of control in the process. Number 5 is explain the different type of programming construct. So there are three types of programming construct. They are sequence construct, decision construct and repetition construct. Number 1, sequence construct. A sequence construct tells the processor which statement is to be executed next. In a sequence construct, the program flows line simply move from one statement to the next. Number 2 is decision construct. In a decision construct, the program control will be transferred from one statement to another depending upon whether the certain conditions are met. Number 3 is repetition construct. In repetition construct, the statement is executed again and again till the given condition is met. It makes the use of loops. A loop is used to repeat a statement again and again till the given condition is met. A counter keyword is used to keep track of the loop. So number F is application based questions. Number 1 is Bharat is creating a flowchart in which he wants to print his favorite teacher's name 100 times. Which program construct will he use? The correct answer is repetition construct. Number 2, Receive wants to create a flowchart which symbol should be used to check whether the specified condition is met or not. So the answer is decision box. Here the lab activity and one more is there. I will give the link of the presentations and the algorithm and the flowcharts in the description box. Don't forget to check the description box. I will upload the files there. So if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and if you liked it, you can like and share it to your friends who need it, and subscribe this channel for more informative contents. Thank you.